Creating a DigitalOcean account is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Visit the website. Go to the DigitalOcean website at digitalocean.com. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button, typically located at the top right of the homepage. Enter your page details. Provide your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using a Google account by clicking the Sign Up with Google button. Verify your email. DigitalOcean will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open the email and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Set up billing information. After email verification, log into your DigitalOcean account. You'll be prompted to enter your billing information. Provide your credit card details or choose a payment method to fund your account. Complete the onboarding process. Follow any additional prompts to complete the onboarding process. This may include setting up your first droplet or configuring other services. Access your dashboard. Once your account is set up, you can access your DigitalOcean dashboard, where you can manage droplets, databases, and other cloud services.